Hello dear friends, viewers and my followers. You all are welcome to visit my YouTube channel, Khokun Mondol YouTube channel related to English grammar. Most of the students are staying at home during this contaminated COVID-19 period 2020. Most of the students do not have the chance to go to their schools and colleges for study, so they are suffering from mental depression. I want to help them. As a result, I have published a lot of videos through my YouTube channel, Khokun Mondol YouTube channel, Digital Classroom. You can visit my channel and you can subscribe my channel if you share my video and press the bell icon so that the next video you can easily watch. I want to request you and I want to advise you. Today I am going to discuss positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. The simple structure I have already penned down here. You can go through the sentences and you can pen down and note it and try to keep this sentence and structures in your mind and try to collect the note and download my video and hear my lecture again and again. It will be easier to you to understand. Okay. Rule on a positive degree. No other plus NP plus extension plus verb plus as or so. Adjective and adverb positive form of good, positive form or P form. Good, bad, well, tall, large, beautiful, intelligent, etc. Plus NP. As conjunction plus NP noun phrase or noun pronoun. Noun phrase. Not only noun will be included, but also pronoun will be considered NP noun phrase. Okay, noun pronoun or noun phrase. Now I am going to discuss the term no other positive form, positive degree. In respect of positive degree, there will be no other if there is only one comparable NP. There will be no other plus NP noun pronoun or noun phrase. Extension prepositional phrase or any other phrase, verb am is or was are plus as so conjunction adjective and adverb. There may be both adjective or adverb. We must know the degree will be not only of adjective but also adverb will be considered, and we can change positive comparative superlative degree as adjective as well as adverb. For example, good and well, good, well. Okay, good, better, best, well, better, best. What is the difference? Basic difference is well adjective and adverb, good adjective, I am a good boy, good adjective, I am well now, well adjective, but I have done well. This well is adverb because it modifies verb. Done, I have done well. How? I have done well. So well modifies verb. As a result, well is adverb. So there may be superlative comparative and positive comparative superlative, well, better, best, good, better, best. Okay. No other train in Bangladesh is as so comfortable as Podda Express. Podda Express is a train, famous train in Bangladesh. No other train in Bangladesh is as or so comfortable as Podda Express. No other NP train in Bangladesh. Extension or prepositional phrase is verb as or so conjunction, comfortable adjective P form of adjective as conjunction, Podda Express NP noun pronoun or noun phrase. Okay. No other country in the world is as or so powerful as Russia. No other railway station in the West Bengal is as or so clean as Shielda. Next. Rule on of comparative degree, NP plus verb plus comparative form of adjective and adverb plus than any other plus NP plus extension. I have already discussed NP, verb, extension. Now comparative form of adjective or adverb. Good, better, best, well, better, best. Better. Second form, yes. Good, better, well, better, tall, taller, big, bigger, large, larger, beautiful, more beautiful, intelligent, more intelligent, etc. Then any other? Then if there is no other in, if there is no other in positive degree, there will be then any other in comparative degree. You must remember this term. Padda Express is more comfortable than any other train in Bangladesh. Russia is more powerful than any other. Russia is more powerful than any other country in the world. Shielda is cleaner than any other railway station in West Bengal. Rule long on of superlative degree. NP plus verb plus da plus superlative form of adjective and adverb plus da plus extension. Da. You must remember, if there is superlative degree, there will be definite article the before the superlative form of adjective. The best, the tallest, the biggest, the most beautiful, the most intelligent, etc. So example, Padda Express is the most comfortable train in Bangladesh. Russia is the most powerful country in the world. Shielda is the cleanest railway station in West Bengal. So there is a correlation and chemistry among the sentences, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. If you look at the sentence, you can find if there is no other in positive degree, there will be then any other in comparative degree, there will be then the plus superlative form of adjective in superlative degree. So rule long on of positive degree is equal to rule long on of comparative degree is equal to rule long on of superlative degree. So the structure depends upon positive degree rule long on, comparative degree rule long on, superlative degree rule long on. If you memorize the structure, it will be easier to you to change the sentences from positive degree to comparative degree to superlative degree. So you all are advised and requested accordingly to follow my lecture. If you follow my lecture, I hope that this changing method will be easier to you during this crucial period. Most of the time we are passing crucial period, COVID-19. Most of the people of all, not only in our subcontinent, but also all over the world are suffering from this dangerous disease. So we want to overcome this problem. Try to stay at home and practice at home. And here my lecture, which I am going to publish chronologically. I am going to publish my next video, inviting all of you. I wish your sound health. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you all.